Hey there, something new is happening with Android. Huawei, a company, recently introduced their HarmonyOS Next, and there's a big change. They won't support Android APK files, which are the apps we use on Android phones. There were rumors that Huawei might stop using Android altogether, but that's not entirely true. Now there's something cool for all you Android users out there, a toolkit called DroidKit from Emobi. It's like a superhero tool for fixing many Android issues like unlocking the screen, bypassing FRP, recovering data, and more. You can even use it to transfer your phone data to your computer. Now back to Huawei. Some people thought they were saying goodbye to Android completely, but a Huawei spokesperson clarified things. If you got a Huawei phone outside of China, you'll still get updates and keep using a version called EMUI. It looks like HarmonyOS but doesn't have Google services. You'll also still use regular Android apps. Huawei is working to support developers worldwide and wants to keep growing in the global market. However, in China, Huawei phones will move completely to HarmonyOS Next and won't support Android apps anymore. So good news for those worried about losing Android apps. Personally, I was curious to try HarmonyOS Next without Android apps for a smoother experience. It seems like that's happening in China, but for the rest of the world, we're sticking with Android for now. What do you think about all this? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, take care.